Japanese grammar for speaking, Unit 9. Numbers for reading. In Japanese, there are numbers for reading and counting. Obviously, it's a lot, I know. So, if you don't really like numbers, just like I don't, you can skip this unit and practice it later. Alright, 0. Then they say 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 5, 6, 7 or 7, 8, 9 or 9, and 10, 10. Alright, it's hard to remember, but if you use this, if you remember this with a little song, then we can memorize this easier. Alright, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. もう一回。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Again. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Then you memorize from 0 to 10. Alright, so there are some words like she, for example, number 4, she or young. So in Japanese, you use she when you just read numbers, but you use young when you use this with time. For example, 4 o'clock, 4時 or 4時. Then you can practice this later with me. And if you memorize from 0 to 10, then you're going to be able to read even more numbers like 11. So, do you remember 10? That was 10, right? And what was number 1? That was 1, right? Then just add them up. 10, 1. Then what was 10 again? 10. And what was 2? 1, 2, 2, right? Then 12. And keep going. 13, 14, 15, 16, like that. Then, what do we say here? If you remember, what's 100? What's 1,000? What's 10,000? What's 100,000? You just memorize that one, then you're going to be able to read all numbers. Alright, what's 100? 100. Then, what would be 101? 101. Then 102. 102. 103. 104. Like that. And obviously, 200. What do you think? What was 2? 2, right? Then 200 should be 200. 300 then 300. 400, 500. 600, 600. We use this P sound. That's because it's easier to pronounce. Then 600. 600. What's better? 600 should be better, right? 700, 700. So they don't say 700. So please memorize 700. 800, same. And 900, 900. Then 1000, 1000. Alright, then how about 2000? What was 2? 1, 2, right? Then 2000, 2000. Then 2001, 2001, right? Then now you can read from 0 to 2001. How awesome is that, right? in just 5 minutes, I guess. And keep going, like 3,000, then 3,000. This one too, it's not 3,000 because zen is easier to pronounce. Number 4,000, 4,000. How about 5,000? What was 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then add up 10, which means 1,000. So 5,000, then it's going to be 5,000. And 6,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Then 10,000, 10,000, right? So please memorize what's 100, what's 1,000, what's 10,000, and you're going to be able to read all numbers. So this is it. Numbers is important because what do you guys use in Japan? Money, right? Not only money, but also your phone number or your postal code or anything like that. So numbers, I think it's really important even if you don't want to study. But if you don't really want to study this numbers later. Alright, I hope you liked my lesson and I will see you next time. Thank you.